Hi there. So, in this next short video, in the series of helping you to find and uncover the root cause to your chronic pain, I'm just going to talk about if you have a chronic or recurrent pain that is a result of an accident, an injury, an operation that you've had in the past. If you know that your pain is not resolved since that moment in time, there's a good reason why that might be, and that can be because of an emotional connection between the event and the injury. So what I'm going to do is use the example of a car accident because I think it's something that we can all relate to. So really it'll just be applying the principles of this to whatever has happened to you. So you can imagine you're sat at a junction, you're looking right to check that the road is clear, and somebody just drives into the back of you and you have this impact. Causes your car to lurch forward, and as a result of that, you get a whiplash injury and you get all this neck pain. So you have the initial shock of that impact happening because it just completely came out of the blue. You've hurt your neck because of the jolting action, but then the anger and the frustration or the annoyance of the person whose momentary lapse of concentration has caused all of this to happen, because not only are you in pain and maybe you've got a headache coming on, but they've damaged your car, you've got car insurance to sort out, maybe a courtesy car, maybe you were heading on for somewhere and it's just completely destroyed all of the plans that you had today. There's this series of ripple effects during that day and in the weeks beyond, all because of somebody's momentary lapse of concentration. So what you might not realize is that shock and that anger, irritation, annoyance with that driver and the physical pain have all become interconnected. So that might mean that after the accident, your pain just doesn't improve at all, or you might find that it keeps getting re-triggered. So this can be that you put it down to, oh, I just slept funny and I just need to get a new pillow, or maybe I need to look into changing my mattress, or it's just been a stressful day. We don't realize is it wasn't that stressful day. It was maybe your boss that did something, or somebody in your life that did something to irritate you and cause some anger or frustration. And it was the emotion in itself that re-triggered off the neck pain. So in this type of situation, what you can do is release the emotional memory of that accident, which will then allow your physical pain to recover. I've seen this many times in practice over the years, that once you release that shock or that negative emotion, then finally either your pain just resolves, or you will then find that your hands-on treatments, the physiotherapy, acupuncture, massage, chiropractic, osteopathy, whatever that is, finally starts to work and be effective. So for myself and my wife Lorna, that can help you with this, we use a method called Psyche, which can release those memories and find out those root causes to the pain, and then that will then allow your pain to finally recover. There's many other options available: pain beyond hypnotherapy, EFT, and many, many more as well. So just know that it is possible to release your body's emotional memory of an incident, which can then lead to the recovery of your physical symptoms.